an option. First option is debt stacking. How does it work? Ilista mo yung mga utang mo, kung ilan man sila. Unahin mong bayaran yung utang na may pinakamataas na interest. That's debt stacking. So halimbawa, I have 3 loans. I have a 5,000 peso loan, I have a 10,000 peso loan, and I have a 15,000 peso loan, all from different borrowers. At the end of the month, I had a 5,000 peso surplus, which I could pay. Under the debt stacking method, uunahin kong bayaran yung 15,000, presuming it has the biggest interest. Pros and cons. Advantages, makakatipid ako sa interest payments. Kasi yung utang na may pinakamataas na interest, nabawasan na. Yun ang advantage mo. Disadvantage, tatlo pa rin yung utang ko. Nagbayad na ako. Pero bakit tatlo pa rin yung utang ko? Parang walang nangyayari, di ba? Parang wala kang sense of fulfillment. Second, next time. Ito naman yung kabaligtaran, debt snowball. Sa debt snowball, ililista mo rin yung mga utang mo, but you will prioritize paying the loan with the smallest outstanding balance. So kanina sa example ko, may 5,000, may 10,000, may 15,000. Based on the snowball strategy, I will pay the 5,000. Advantages, dalawa na lang ang utang ko. I have the feeling of victory. Disadvantage, mas malaking mabayaran ko interest. Kasi yung 15,000 na may pinakamalaking interest na hindi ko binayaran, takbo ng takbo yan buwan-buwan. Sir, ano mas maganda? Depende yan sa inyo. Kung ano pipiliin nyo. Debt stacking or debt snowball? Siguro depende yan sa cash flow ng co-op or cash flow ng pamilya. Kung kaya naman bayaran, pero ako personally, again, personally not from the central bank, personally, I would go with debt stacking. I would go with paying the loan with the highest interest first para makatipid. Kaya nga merong, alam niyo yung call out loan? Yung uutang ka para ibayad sa ibang utang? Bakit ka nagko-call out loan? Kasi yung utangin mo mas mababa interest. Yun yung concept ng debt stacking. Makakabawas ka kasi yung interest mas mababa. Ganun yun. Next slide. Loan restructuring. Na-encounter nyo the cops. So if you cannot pay, you talk with your creditors. You talk with your creditors. Na hindi kami makakapayag. Basta tapat ka lang sa usapan nyo, hindi ko man sasabing automatic. Siguro ang decisive factor dyan is kung mataas ang credit score mo. Kung magaling ka naman magbayad before, walang problema, makapagbigyan ka. So this is not an automatic remedy. But it's a must. It's a nice to have na pwede mo siya tulad. Ano bang may importante sa loan restructuring? Ang importante sa loan restructuring, when you ask to restructure, you comply with the terms. Hindi yung nag-restructure ko ngayon, next month mag-restructure ko. Wala nang iwala sa iyo yung pinag-usapan. Sa kooperatiba, do you allow restructuring? Siyempre, co-ops eh. Dito naman tayo sa, ano yun sir? Ano yung mga lines natin sa kooperatiba? Spirit of cooperativism. Philosophy. But then again sir, ito, caveat for co-ops. And as well as students and family members. You have to determine sa sarili mo kung gusto mong makasingil, kung gusto mong maging Mr. Congeniality. You cannot be both. If you want to be Mr. Congeniality, huwag kang magreklamo kung hindi ka nakakasingil. Friendly ka eh. Oh, sige, next one. Sige. Sige. Okay, sige. Pwede ba hindi ka nalang bayaran? Sige. Tapos iiyak-iyak ka, hindi ka makakabayaran. Mr. Congeniality is one thing. Getting your money is another. If you want to get your money, don't be Mr. Congeniality. You cannot be both. Sa co-ops kasi, ang practice natin, gusto mo maging congeniality, gusto mo rin maningil. Mahirap. 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 It's like your left hand doesn't know what your right hand is doing. If you want to demand payment, demand payment. If you want to condone payment, condone payment. That's it. You cannot have two at the same time. Next slide. Okay, tapos na tayo sa borrowing. Tandaan lang, no? Gamitin sa tamang paraan ng pangungutang. Okay? Bayaran ang buo sa takdang panahon. At hindi dahilan ng pagkabaon sa kahirapan ang utang. Okay? Isipin nyo, hindi lahat ng utang masama. Merong good debts. As a matter of fact, if you use debts properly, you will be able to attain your goal already.